Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm here to take your voicemail to the AI era. I answer missed calls, send call summaries, and share a link to your online booking system, website, or pricing page. Ready to hear me in action? Hello, I'm an AI assistant working for Dan at Renovate 8. My name is Lucy. Dan's currently busy. Can I help take a message?
Hi, Lucy. Yeah, I'm interested in getting a quote from Dan regarding a bathroom renovation.
Okay. Give me a second. Could you please provide your name, the best contact details to reach you, and a brief description of what you're looking to have done in your bathroom renovation?
Sure, my name is Sarah, and my number is 0. And I would basically like to change my current shower to a walk-in shower, and I need to replace my tiles in the bathroom too.
Thanks. Here's another example.
Hello, I'm an AI assistant working for Cassie. My name is Lucy. Cassie is busy, that's why I'm here. Can I help take a message?
Yep, sure. Can you please tell her that I'm on my way to pick up the cake and the balloons? I will be perhaps 15 minutes late. If she needs anything else, just message me.
Thanks. To ensure I relay your message accurately, could you please provide your name and the best way for Cassie to contact you?
No worries. Just let her know that Samantha called, and if she needs anything, just text me.